Hello, travelers. I'm Wheelchair Jimmy, and I'm rolling through the coastal town of Napier, New Zealand today, which is located out in the Hawke's Bay area on the east coast of the North Island. And we have stopped for lunch at the Ujazi restaurant on Tennyson Street, which is one of the main streets in this very cute, just charming town of Napier, New Zealand. Now, the Ujazi restaurant it's a fun sort of happening place for lunch. It was very small, has seating that spills outside onto Tennyson Street, had a great menu and excellent food. Entry is straight in from the street, no steps. Now inside there is some wheelchair accessible seating, although I thought it was a little tight. We sat at a small outside table on Tennyson as there was more room. Now there is also a small, reasonably accessible restroom here. My 24.5-inch wide wheelchair made it in okay with a little effort, but I think larger wheelchairs will not likely fit. On the WJAR Index, well, the Ujazi restaurant in Napier, it gets a 3. This was a fun place to have lunch, but remember, it is small, a little tight, and the restroom will probably not accommodate larger wheelchairs. Roll on, America!